This is where durability begins.
Hydraulic machines press the newly shaped frame. Not a single component bends beyond tolerance. Pressure sensors map every deformation to guarantee structural integrity.
Gorilla Glass is cut, polished, chemically strengthened, and coated with anti-fingerprint layers.
The under-display ultrasonic sensor is bonded carefully beneath the glass. Calibrating lasers confirm accuracy up to the micron.
Installing the AMOLED display. The display is aligned and attached using precision adhesive layers.
Sensors are aligned in dust-free chambers. Robotic microscopes confirm exact lens curvature, coating, and optical alignment.
The flagship chipset is placed onto the motherboard using ultra-precision controls. A robotic arm then applies silver-based thermal paste. The flagship chipset is placed onto the motherboard using ultra-precision controls. A robotic arm then applies silver-based thermal paste.
The motherboards enter a reflow oven. Inside, the solder melts and bonds every component tightly.
High-speed cameras scan every solder point. AI algorithms check alignment, height, bonding quality, and color reflection. Motherboards with even the slightest abnormality are diverted for rework.
Rows of chips are cut, lifted, and inspected. They form the X200 Pro's flagship processor. AI systems
This is how the Vivo X200 Pro is made, from raw material to technological masterpiece.